Draw a realistic eye, Part 3. Let's begin with drawing the upper eyelashes. I will place a sheet beneath my hand to prevent smudging. I will use a medium-valued pencil to stroke in the eyelashes. Always curve up from the bottom so that you taper off at the end of the hair. And don't forget that some lashes will cross over each other. Lashes will be smaller towards the inner corner and longer in the middle and outer corner. Don't forget the reflections in the iris. As always, I will make some guides of where I want the lashes and go back to make them darker and thicker as I progress. At this stage, you can lighten up lashes, correct some, or make new ones. You will see here how I'm easily correcting a lash with erasing and redrawing it. I can understand how nerve-wracking it can be to draw these. That's why I'm showing you how to add them before making them too dark. You can always go back to add more. Be sure to have your pencil sharp. Now to darken them up. I will speed this up a bit so you don't have to watch me stroke over each lash again. When you get into this angle of the lashes, it will appear as though they're thicker. By adding thicker strokes at the base, this will help to insinuate this. Now I will place some lighter lashes on the bottom. Here's the stage where I will make final touch-ups, which will include using all of my drawing tools. You may or may not need to do this, or you may have other final touch-ups that are different than mine. The light can reflect on the tips of the lashes, so I'm gently making the tips lighter with using a clickable eraser. Pencil erasers will work too. Do you see what I mean about going back to do final touch-ups? I'm adding some Posca highlights. I don't always use this in my drawings as I would leave the highlights to the brightness of the paper. I guess I'm more traditional that way, but always looking for new techniques and tools. Okay, hands off, I'm done. I hope you like it and enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe for more.